Hey, what's going on everybody? Josh Quinones here, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the new and improved Whitestone dome glass for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, for those of you that don't know, I guess some time back there were a lot of complaints going around about the Whitestone dome glass, specifically on this device, saying that the glass itself would crack on its own. Even if the phone was just laying there on the table, they would come back to the device and see cracks on their tempered glass screen protector, and also, I guess the fingerprint sensor wasn't working right as well. While I reached out to Whitestone dome glass, they went ahead and sent me out another. They did say they were having some complaints and problems with the last one, but this one that they sent out to me is new and improved. Now, I have had it on my device for about a month now. I didn't want to do a review right away first day because I wanted to use it for a bit to see how it would work, if I would notice any cracks. Now, originally, I didn't notice any of those problems with my original Whitestone dome glass, but they went ahead and sent me out a new and improved one anyway, so I can go ahead and test it out. So it's been about a month, maybe a little bit longer than a month, and I gotta say I haven't had any problems with this one as well. It's been working out great. I don't have any cracks or anything like that. Now, I do have an original installation video with the previous Whitestone dome glass, and the instructions are going to be exactly the same when installing this screen protector. So if you're interested in seeing that and wanting to know how to install this screen protector, I will make sure to link that video down in the description below. But as far as the screen protector itself goes, it's been doing great. I got it on there just fine. It installs well. It's been working great with the fingerprint sensor. Let's go ahead and test that out. Here we go. So you can see there, working just fine. Let's test that out one more time. There we go. We're getting, the reason I'm tilting it is because I do have the facial recognition on, so I'm trying to tilt it so it doesn't read my face, so you can see it is working with the fingerprint sensor. Let's go ahead and try it one more time. As you can see, it works well with the fingerprint sensor, so no worries there when it comes to trying to use that sensor. Now, when it comes to cracking on its own, I haven't experienced any cracks with this screen protector. Let me go ahead and try to focus here. There we go. So as you can see, there are no cracks on this screen protector. I don't have any problems with it cracking on its own. It's actually done a great job at protecting my screen on this device. Now, as you can see, it does attract a lot of fingerprints, which is to be expected with tempered glass screen protectors like this. But overall, it's been working very well. For an updated, new and improved tempered glass screen protector from Whitestone dome glass, I'm actually impressed with how much they were able to improve this. Now, like I said before, I originally didn't experience any problems with the previous one, but I do notice that this one does work a lot faster with the fingerprint sensor itself. So overall, it's doing a great job at protecting the screen on my device. I don't have any problems with it. And if y'all find yourself interested in this screen protector, I'll make sure to drop a link down in the description below. And like I mentioned earlier, I will make sure to drop that installation video below as well. So in case you do get it for yourself, you can go ahead and follow my instructions on that video and install it yourself. But overall, let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Let me know what you think of the Whitestone dome glass, if you think it's worth the price of 50 bucks, or if you think it should be just a little bit cheaper. And if you have used it yourself, let me know how it's been working out for you. Make sure to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did find it helpful. And if you did like it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. But for now, this is Josh Quinones. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.